Hi, I'd like to talk to you today about selling a home in a divorce. Now, you may be shocked and surprised that a person as wonderful as I am has gone through a divorce and sold a house, but I'll tell you it's true. And it can be very, very emotional and a difficult process. And it's one of the more difficult sales that, as a real estate agent, I'm involved in. So I thought I'd do a few tips and tricks, talk about the different kinds of divorce situations that I've seen, and share with you 5 tips to try and make it go more smoothly and try and manage the process as quickly and efficiently and stress-free as possible. So when you start out selling a home during a divorce, you usually start with a separation agreement. And this is the document you work through with your family law lawyer that will set out the terms of selling the house. It sets out other payments, division of assets, maybe custody, all of those things. And without that separation agreement in place, you can't release the funds for the sale. So that is a very important document to get hammered out first before you put the house on the market. Secondly, try and choose a realtor that has gone through a divorce situation with clients before, because it can be very emotionally charged. One of the very important things that I work on during a divorce is to try and remain neutral and unbiased to each party. So that is equal communication and equal timeliness of communication with both parties, and then work to resolving both of their individual needs within that. Quite often there is a separation, literally, of the goal of one person selling versus the other one in terms of speed of sale, price they want, how quickly they want the funds, how they want the household contents divided. So I try and bring those interests together, as well as bring in a buyer that can match those interests and get everything done with as little drama as possible. So a handy tip I've learned to try and remain neutral and try and get everybody focused on the same goal is to create what I call Team 123 Main Street, or whatever your address is, so that everybody's focused on Team 123 Main Street and not on their individual goals within that. And that way we can remove the emotions a little bit, as much as possible, from the process and focus on that one goal.